This video is part of the Intro to Coding Dash Robots iTunes U course. So today we're going to explore some basic commands in Blockly. When you start Blockly, it will immediately search for a robot. I don't have one connected, but when you do, it will be here and it'll say -1 and it'll have a color, which is the color of the light that it's showing. You'll notice that it automatically has a code. Don't worry about that bit. Automatically has a code that says when start. So when I press start, that's the initiator of the code. Anything that's joined onto that block will happen after we press start. So I'm just going to go into sounds, and when I start, I'm going to get Dash to say, Dash is going to say hi. Now I can get him to say a whole bunch of different things here. I can also make him look in a certain direction. So he's going to look when, so it's going to start. He's going to look towards a voice. So if anybody speaks, the Dash robot will turn towards a voice. It will add, it'll turn yellow. I'm going to change all my lights to yellow after saying hi. So you can see just by adding the different blocks of code, it's a sequence. It's telling Dash exactly what to do. He's also going to do a little animation, which is a pre-programmed movement. So he's going to dance and he's going to be confident in this particular code. And what else can we do in here just to get you started? Okay, we will also make him move. So if we go to drive, then we'll select some codes and clip them onto the bottom, and he's going to move forward. If we tap on that, you'll see that you can increase the speed. So it says he's going to move very fast, and he's going to move 90 centimeters. So forward 90 fast means forward, 90 centimeters and fast. And then where it says sounds, I'm going to actually get him to do some weird beeps. So you can see just by adding the blocks in, Dash is going to do something. Now I can also have multiple codes running at the same time. So when I press the top button of Dash, or when Dash hears a clap, he will do a different code. So you can have two codes running at the same time. Now you can actually pre-record your own things by going to sounds and then my sounds. And just by clicking on number 10, once yours is connected, it'll come up with a record option. So you can actually record your own sounds and make Dash record it. It will alter your voice so it sounds robotic. So when Dash hears a clap, he's going to say a pre-recorded thing, and then I'm going to get him to laugh. So his expression is Dash is going to laugh, and he's going to do some moving. Now, I'm going to actually get him to move forward, and then I'm going to get him to turn left 90 degrees, and then move forward again, and turn left 90 degrees, and move forward again, and turn left 90 degrees. Now you can see that I've actually got the same thing repeated. Now I can do forwards and left and forwards and left, and I can keep going, or I can just delete the repeated part, and if I go to control, I can put in a loop or a repeat. I then drag the commands within the repeat bracket, and I change the amount of repeats for that particular bracket. So let's just zoom into the repeat section of this code and let's explain a little further. You'll see it says repeat 4 times, and it has that as a yellow bracket, and within it, it's going to move forward 50 centimeters at a normal pace. It's then going to turn left at 90 degrees. It's going to do that 4 times. So if you visualize the Dash moving forward, turning 90 degrees to the left, moving forward, turning 90 degrees to the left, moving forward, turning 90 degrees to the left, moving forward, and turning 90 degrees to the left, what shape do you think that makes? It will have 4 corners, and each of the corners will have 90 degrees.